everyone, it's Mrs. Anderson. I'm back with another little math lesson. We are going to go over one more shape that we've already talked about and two numbers that we've already talked about. So I'm going to show you the shape. I can't use my curves or lines that I have for this shape because they're not the right shape, I guess I'll say. So I'm going to write it for you, okay? This is a shape that's kind of like a circle, but it's stretched out. Do you know what that one is? I talk about it all the time. It's a circle that's stretched out. It's an oval. Yes, you're right, it's an oval. A circle, I'm going to put a circle and an oval next to each other. Okay, a circle, very round. Round all around. And if I took this circle and stretched it out, I would have an oval. An oval. Now, I wonder what you have in your house that could be an oval. Can you think of something that might be an oval? Does your family eat eggs? That's something I don't want you to go in your refrigerator and grab some eggs and look at them all by yourself. You could ask a grown-up or an older brother or sister to help you with that. If you have eggs in your house, in your refrigerator, they are shaped like an oval. It's like a circle that's kind of stretched out. What else could you have in your house that might be an oval? I would love to hear if you found any ovals at your house. Yeah, I would love to hear what else. Maybe there's a decoration in your house somewhere that has an oval in it. Maybe there's a piece of furniture that has an oval shape. Go on an oval hunt. See if you have one. You know what I have at my house that's shaped like an oval? I have a doorknob, and it's shaped like an oval. It's not round like a circle. It's an oval. Yeah, maybe check out your doorknobs. Maybe you have an oval doorknob and you didn't even realize it. Oval is like a circle that is stretched out. Go on an oval hunt today. I see another oval. It's in my number 10. Yeah, and our number 0 that we learned about before. This, you can make a 0 shaped like a circle or like an oval. So that's the shape that I'd like you to work on today. Go around looking for some things that are shaped like an oval. See how many you can find. Okay, let's move on to our numbers. I'm going to say goodbye to my shape of oval. See you later. And now, let's talk about our numbers. Can you count with me? Help me count. We're going to start with 0. Let's move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now today we're going to do number 6 and number 7. So I'm going to grab that number 6 and bring it down. Do you remember our poem that we used for the number 6? Do you remember that? It looks like 6 has some curves to it. Yep, 6 is kind of funny. 6 goes down and a hoop. 6 rolls a loop. Let's make one in the air. You ready? Down and a hoop. 6 rolls a loop. Yeah, you never pick up your writing utensil. You just go down in a hoop. 6 rolls a loop. You got to just do some curves. Let's do one together. Are you ready? I forgot to ask, do you have something to write with? Do you have something to write on? Pause me really quick. You can go get it and then come back, okay? Okay, let's do it. Let's do number 6 4 more times. Here we go. Down and a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. Let's do it again. Down and a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. And we start at the top, okay, boys and girls? Don't forget, you start your numbers at the top. Down and a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. Let's do it one more time. I want to make one over here. Down and a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. Sometimes when I practice, when I ask you to practice writing some numbers, try doing them in all different sizes. Can you write a teeny tiny little 6? Look how small that was. Can you make a giant 6? Down in a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. Practice writing those 6s, boys and girls. Okay, now I'm going to say goodbye to number 6. And what comes after 6, everybody? The number 7. Number 7. Who's number 7 in Mr. Ortiz's room? In my room, Nolan My friend Nolan is number 7. That's his number in our classroom. It's on his folder, and it's back there on my board. He's number 7, so I know what his number is. 7 is just easy breezy lemon squeezy. It's just straight lines. The only tricky thing about the number 7 is one of their lines is slanted. Yeah, I'm going to get out these magnets and show you. So number 7 has a little line across and a big line down. But I don't do a big line down like this for the number 7. That kind of looks like an upside down L, doesn't it, boys and girls? Yeah, the number 7, you have to do it diagonal. You have to slant it, okay? So our poem for number 7 is, across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. Okay, are you ready to write it? Let's try it. You ready? Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. Let's do it again. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. 2 lines, one little, one big. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. Ready to do another one? Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. 7, heaven. Those 2 words rhyme. They sound the same at the end of the word. Let's make one more 7. You ready? Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. 7. Practice writing your 7s, practice writing your 6s, practice writing all your numbers if you want to today. The more you write, the better you're going to get. Try some little tiny 7s. Try a big, huge 7. Any way you want to. Practice the rhyme. Practice your writing. Your brain's going to get so big. So big. I'm so excited. Okay, friends. Have a great day. Thanks for learning with me.